All right, so I want to show you the newer updated tool. Canvas used to use Arc, and they've introduced Studio since this course was originally published, and I wanted to show you Studio. So right now I'm in the dashboard for Canvas. If I want to go to Studio, I'm going to go down on this left sidebar and press Studio. So what Studio does, it allows you to record, it allows you to add, and it allows you to search videos. So let's just start with pulling something in from YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to actually search a video, and I'm just going to pull in one of mine. And let's pull in, I guess angles formed by segments. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL for this. So I'm going to go to share, and I'm going to go to copy my URL.
Today we're going to take a look at how we find the...
I'm then going to go back to Studio, and I'm going to go to add, and I'm going to add it from YouTube. So I'm just going to paste my URL right here. Okay, I can also, I have my own files, my own videos, I can upload directly from my own files. But I'm going to go to add, and you can see here's my video. Notice on my video there's a little red box, that's the YouTube box from YouTube, so it lets me know that that's a YouTube video. So now I've imported it into Commons, or into Studio. So the really nice thing that I can do is I can actually add a quiz to this. So if you're familiar with Edpuzzle, I can pause the video and put in a quiz so that I can see that students are actually taking the time to do this video. So I'm going to click on these three dots, and I'm going to click on create quiz. I have to give it a title. Quick check, I'm just going to call this one. Down here you have the option to hide question markers on the timeline for students. I always do this because otherwise they could go right to the questions. Here they've got to watch the video to find the questions. So I'm going to, you can do this one of two ways. I can play the video.
Today we're going to take a look at how we find the measure of...
And then I'm going to go, or I can fast forward it.
Chords are segments.
And I can pick where I want to put in a quiz. So if I click here plus, I can do a true false, and I can say a chord is a segment from the center of a circle to its side. And that is false. And I can add question feedback so that kids know what they did wrong. This quiz version is kind of limited in what you can add for feedback. You can do it for the correct answer. You can do it for incorrect answer. I sometimes just do it for general. A chord is a segment that goes from one side to the other, from one side to the other. All right, and I'm just going to save that. I'm not going to use this, so I'm not going to type. All right, and now, I'm going to find another place I want. And if you know the videos,
by both sides by 2,
you kind of know hopefully where your questions are, but you can play right around there and add a question. Other kinds of questions to add are multiple choice. So and it's not as good as the quiz tool in Canvas. I can't add graphics, which would be helpful with geometry, but I can't. So maybe you can add a multiple choice, type your answer, you can add more, and you can take them away by the garbage symbol. So I'm hoping that you're finding that Canvas is intuitive. You can vary points by your answer, or you can shuffle your choices. I will always shuffle choices when possible. Just helps. Might be a little harder to grade if you actually have to grade, but the nice thing is this goes in and automatically grades for you. And then the other type of question you can have is a multiple answer, where they can answer more than one thing at a time, and you just need to check the answers boxes that are correct. So that is how we import a video and how you do a quiz. Okay. Once you have a video inside, there's also other options that you can do for that video. So if I go to view it, I'm going to pause so you don't hear it. Students
Today we're going to take a look.
Students can make comments on the video. You can subscribe, which is really kind of cool because they can type things like, I don't understand this question. Can you please go over it in class? All right. So you can put in comments, and you can see those. And then you as the teacher can actually reply to those comments. You can take them for what you want. They have a closed captioning feature. And this also tells you, this Insights button, what you can, what students have watched and how long they've watched, and gives you kind of information on that. So this video went over how you bring in a video, how you can add, and how you can add a quiz. Thank you for watching.